This is the Disney Hooyay Hug and Play Mickey. Mickey is a super soft velour plush toy with multi-texture features, including these lovely satin ears, smooth press pads on his hands and feet, and a rope tail. Let's take a look at Mickey's 6 interactive touch points for learning. Press Mickey's right ear to hear a song.
Touch the sky, can you reach down low, then up high?
Press his other ear and hands to discover lots of fun phrases and ways to learn.
This is my hand.
Learn about numbers,
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
the alphabet,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Won't you stomp along with me?
and spelling.
Foot. Can you spell it with me?
There are 18 Mickey sayings to discover through fun and engaging songs and phrases. And there you have Hug and Play Mickey.